We're going to Disneyland. This is our 5th trip this year. My 6th trip, actually. I went in January, and we're vlogging it this time. Yeah, just us. We're so excited. We landed, and I swear, every time we come, which we come every other month about, the rental car situation is always different. Sometimes
it always sucks.
I'm a Hertz Gold member. I'm supposed to come down and just get in the car. A few times ago, there was like a mix-up with the cars. Last time, it was like online. Today, I come and their system's down. And they have 0 cars. So now we're waiting for a car.
There's no cars, so like you have to wait for your car.
We have to wait 10 minutes for them to clean the car.
So I just have to clean it.
We have a reservation for Disneyland to get to.
Yeah.
It's fine though, we don't mind.
I'm hungry, I'm tired.
We just laugh about it, but it's just hurts. Every time it's different, so that's what we're doing. And now we're nervous because we don't get a choice in a car. No. Normally you get to choose the car.
If the Kia Soul comes around,
and we're saying no thank you.
So we'll wait for the next one.
Patiently waiting to see what kind of car they're going to bring out.
Truck, absolutely
not. If they bring me a Dodge Charger, I'll say
absolutely
next.
Not.
One time, a couple of months ago, we got a convertible Camaro.
It was the best car.
It was our favorite.
We were hesitant, actually, though.
We were hesitant to take it because it was a Camaro and it was convertible, but it was amazing. We named it George.
We
love him, and every time we come back, we look for him, and we've never found him. But we'll check in with what our car is.
And last time, she left her.
I left my
lip gloss.
Last time, I had a $30 lip gloss.
That's not free.
I left it in the car in the bottom of the seat, and I was hoping that it would be here today, and I was going to see if they still had it, because they never clean these things out good enough. No such luck. What if they bring out that car? Update, it's okay. We're just in like a small Chevy Malibu sedan.
Is it a Malibu?
Oh, I don't know. It's a small something Chevy.
This thing doesn't move.
We made it to Disneyland. It was like an hour to drive from Burbank to here. And we're just going in here for a few hours.
Just some time.
It's 2 o'clock and we'll probably leave around 5. And then we have some errands to run before we head to my grandma's.
In and out. Bernie Mobile.
It's the vlog. We ended up park hopping over to California Adventure to ride Guardians. We literally waited. How long did we wait?
60 minutes. But what time is it? 1 minute.
We waited like 2 hours.
It said it was 60 minutes, but we got in line 5 minutes shy of 2 hours ago, and we just got
2 hours.
Do the information.
And now we're leaving. We're gonna go to the mall
because they only had 4 or 6 games for us.
And we're gonna get dinner. Then we're gonna go to In-N-Out.
My foot has a cramp.
We're gonna go home.
I mean,
say that again.
Broken. Our favorite ride is closed for commission.
Who? What?
The train!
Oh yeah, the train. We're here for our first official day. We're matching today. And, oh my gosh, I'm getting a call. And I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Yeah, she has a weak bladder.
And then we're gonna go get on Space Mountain because we hate waiting in line for that. It takes forever. Oh my gosh. We have no patience for slow walkers.
I think it's
everybody walks so slow. Space Mountain says it's half an hour wait, but
it's gonna be longer.
This one usually takes a little longer. Maybe not in the morning.
Last time it started like. Last time I came like.
You know what? This vlog is gonna be so boring because it's just gonna be me filming this the whole time. That took longer than half an hour, as suspected. But we're going across the way to Indiana Jones. It says that Indiana Jones is 55 minutes, but we know these lines so well, and it's never as long as it says for this one. I bet it won't be more than half an hour. That was 17 minutes.
17, and they said it was 55.
Yeah. My mansion is a virtual queue right now because they're doing construction, and we do have a group, but it's probably not for a few hours. Really evil, but we love to have like a bit of the day. Our bit of the day is that we're wearing these shirts.
Matching tennis shirts.
We're not Canadian, but we're Canadian fans because we're big hockey fans. The two kind of go together. So we got these shirts because they're cute. And so our bit of the day is pretending we're Canadian. And it's not even noon. It's 10:34. and already there have been 3 comments towards us about it. And like,
so funny.
it's just funny. It's our bit, and it brings us joy and humor, but it's not hurting anyone.
It's so funny to us.
It's like we have a backstory and everything.
It's just a joke.
If anybody asks, we're from Kelowna, and we chose that because we were there last year, so like we know the area.
We're just so funny. And no one gets
We're so funny. 3 people. We will update. It's 10:30. 3 mentions. But I might just take this off soon. It's getting hot. But we're checking out Rise of the Resistance because it's only 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And I really like Star Wars.
BB-8, is everyone assembled?
Normally we always eat the same foods every time. But today, we're being adventurous and we got these cookies and they're really good. And I've already had 2 and I'm almost done with my 3rd. Sat for like an hour at the Mexican restaurant. We call it rotting.
The big rotters.
We didn't even eat. We wanted to, but the line was too long. I think we're gonna do some shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna go hop over to the other pond.
The other pond. California Adventure. Yeah. We just demolished some tacos. Tacos. It's finally our time for Haunted Mansion.
Yes.
It's 3:16. Rolling. Yeah.
Stop.
Our day is winding down.
10:45.
Our day is winding down. It's 5:20. Laura, if you're assaulting me, it's not funny.
I'm not.
And we're probably gonna leave soon. We don't like it after dark. We usually leave at sunset. We're gonna get some dinner. We literally have not done a lot today. We love to just sit. Laura, I can't have a good vlog if we're gonna do that.
It's interactive. See, when you said we don't, I said no, and then I said yes.
We are getting in and out.
We're not getting Raising
We're not
Cane's.
getting Raising Cane's.
We are gonna tear up In and Out.
We are just gonna sit here for a little bit longer because we love to sit.
We do miss the train.
Normally, I read like a book a day while I'm here. Our last trip, I think I read 3 books in 3 days. 4 books actually. I have been trudging my way. Is that a word? Trudging? I've been trudging my way through this
Tidging.
book, this series for months. I can't get
Free
through
promo.
it. I can't get through it. The 3rd book, it took me 3 months to read that book. Like the fairy war at the end, the second half of the 3rd book was literally just a stupid fairy war. I was literally just gonna die.
I did not read that.
I'm hoping this is better. Everybody loves it. The 1st book, loved it. 2nd book, yeah, I loved it. 3rd book, I cannot get through it. I brought this one, but Lorelai doesn't like it when I read in line, so I haven't even started it. Normally I would have already been done with the book. Because I brought 2 books for this trip, but that's fine. I don't really want to read it anyway. I'm kind of over it.
Bag haul. What I packed in my bag
Okay,
for this.
what I packed in my bag. Okay.
Also, I was eating a granola bar, and it crumbled, and like half of it fell on the ground. There's another piece over there somewhere. But yeah.
This is bag haul. This is my everyday Disney bag this is always what I bring. I always bring a book for lines. And I always have a water bottle and I just refill this one the whole trip.
We get it at the airport.
And then my next is I always have to have a hairbrush. It's a necessity. And then my fuel rod. I've had this since I was a freshman in college, but I dropped out. I would be a senior. My medicine, including caffeine. My wallet. Parfum.
Eau de parfum.
And snacks and chapstick. And a glass of milk. That's it.
Show us the bag. Wait with your bag.
Wait with your bag.
Give us what's in my bag.
This is my bag. Lex gave it to me for my birthday. My 17th birthday.
We have too many of these bags. We're like 20.
First thing, my water bottle. I put a sticker on it from Granny Mom.
Yeah.
My
Phone.
I'm a simple girl.
Simple girl.
My wallet.
Her wallet. Don't show the credit card. granola bar.
Granola bar.
Fruit snacks.
We have to. We take so many pictures on this every time.
My beloved camera. But we need to get charged because it's gonna die. Chapstick.
Chapstick.
And our key.
And our key. Lorelai's the holder of the key.
Since I drive a Tesla, I don't have car keys, and so I can't be trusted with the rental car because I just walk away from my car. I don't even remember to turn the car off because my car is get in, get out. I don't have any keys or anything. So when we go on trips,
Lorelai's the keeper of the car keys because I just won't remember to do it.
Pinocchio, and then we're gonna leave and shop. We're leaving. Park in the toy store because it's way easier than Mickey and Friends. And the line to get on the bus is longer than I've ever seen in my entire life.
Probably longer than
It would take an hour.
So
So we are walking to the parking lot. It's like a mile, but we'd rather walk than wait in that line.
It's like, what, 18 minutes? That
Yeah,
line will be at least half an hour.
we're walking. We're power walkers though, so. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Boom. We've made it to our car. Click on the, okay. It was 20 minutes.
Not bad.
A mile.
This person is an awful job.
Not bad. We're gonna go get food. In and out. Oh my gosh.
Oh boy. How many steps was that?
We did, it was 1,600 steps. Bye. Good morning. We're getting ready. It's 7:10. We wanted to leave by 7:20. We have like a half an hour drive. I'm ready, are you? Pretty much. We're very excited for today. Our grandmother is meeting us there. I'm whispering because it's early in the morning. And we're gonna have a good day. It's gonna be hotter today though. This is the fit check.
I'm going to stay there on Saturday.
We're in the park. We're going to security. These are the fits. And it's actually low-key really cold today, but that's okay. We also always tend to have the sayings of the trip. This trip, our two things that we say are Scandinavian-Boss and what was the other one? Oh, the parasites. The parasites in me want a churro. Something like that.
I always say Scammy and Boss, but this time it's Scammy and Boss.
Boss. Scandinavian-Boss. A little misty. Scandinavian-Boss.
Boss.
I think we're hitting up Space Mountain first because our grandma's coming later in the day, and we're gonna do Rise of the Resistance with her and a few other things. So we're gonna do the rides that she does not like right now. She wants to do Fantasyland and stuff. So we're doing Space Mountain because it'll probably be short, and then maybe like Thunder Mountain. But first, we have to go to the bathroom. Well, yeah. It's saying it's 20 minutes. Do you think it's 20 minutes? Over or under? I'm saying under.
I'm going 25.
I'm going 19.
22.
We're row 1, and what time is it? It's 9:06. I was right on the money.
No, you were 1 minute before.
Oh, I said 19
It
minutes.
was 20 minutes exactly.
So we're getting on. Row 1. Going on Astropass. I'm the master at this. I'm the master. I don't cheat. Fine.
You have to specify.
Not my best.
My gun was broken.
A lot of times I get 500,000.
I usually get in like the hundreds of thousands, but my gun was broken. It wouldn't light up. It was awful. I was scammed.
I did good. We're doing something we've never done before. We are pin people. My butt is awful. My hair. We're pin people, but not mystery pin people. But I saw this guy on TikTok that was collecting all the mystery pins, so we decided to do that. We got mystery pin Disney dogs because
I need Nana.
we love Nana from Peter Pan. That's what we call our dog. Our dog is Nana. And so Lorelai really wants a Nana pin.
Because they don't just sell them.
They don't sell just Nana pins.
They have one, but it's like not just Nana.
So there should be 2 pins in here. Should we open at the same time or one at a time?
Probably one at a time first.
Here they are. Oh no, I'm nervous. You open it first. Choose one. You can't feel it. Just grab it. Okay. Oh no. I'm scared. Please. I'm nervous. Don't look at it. Show it to me.
Ready?
Okay.
Lady.
Lady. Okay.
That's a good.
That's a good one.
Because there's two on here that I literally don't. I don't know who that is, and I don't know who that is.
There it
Okay.
is.
I
I want
know.
banana so bad.
Okay. Ready? Oh no.
Oh, that's a cute one. At least. We got two good ones.
We did get two good ones.
I want banana.
I did not want the other two. I kind of want the poodle. Go buy another pack.
It's $22. And we're probably.
Go buy another pack.
I think we can't buy another. It's like gambling.
Which one do you want? Your choice. Oh my gosh, it matches your
Gosh,
bag.
it does. Literally my bag. Isn't there a Disney tabs too?
Is there? We're like, I bought this one. Go buy one.
That's like we're like gambling. I kind of feel drawn to this one.
Okay, I'll take this one then.
Is this Pongo?
I don't know. Vlog update. We have been here for over an hour. Once we sit, we just don't get up. It's an issue. It's like a drug. Like we just sit. We love to sit. Like we just like the ambiance, you know?
I just don't feel motivated to do it.
No, like it's fun just to
And I'm really tired.
sit and enjoy the music and like look at everybody and listen to everyone's conversation. We're caffeinating, but our little our shaded spot is just about out of the shade, so we have to relocate. I think we're gonna go get a locker. Caffeinate. We're going on Rise the Resistance. We just got off Resistance and it took quite a long time, and we're going to Haunted Mansion because it's our time. Oh my gosh. We've lost motivation. Putting my shoes back on. We've been sitting for a while. And we're gonna maybe go do Indiana Jones again. We're waiting for a grandma. She's
That's
on.
the one thing that we're like always up to do.
I'm always up to do Indiana Jones.
Every other ride, I feel like we're like, we're like Indiana Jones, because I think it's because we always have the lines.
The line's never too bad. I'm tired. Oh yeah, that's a cute picture. A picture of the screen. Wait. Let me get in position. Zoom in on it. Ooh, my arms. We're so funny. Okay.
I'm gonna get 2 cheeseburgers with onions and without tomatoes, and then 1 side of fries.
Thank you.
Bag secured.
You paying? Let me think. It's so nauseous. It's not okay.
So you can't pay?
I thought the pen.
We're at the promised land.
What are we gonna follow up?
She's literally gonna follow up. Drop your In-N-Out order down below.
I'm gonna roll that.